Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos. As I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so you'll get something new to see every Sunday. So do subscribe. Okay, so my today's video is turning a old book into a new one. Like, we can't say this is old one, but something like written in Hindi, Marathi or Gujarati. It's like if you are an Indian, definitely you must have came across this book once in your lifetime, and your mom must be like, use this notebook, and you're like, you feel shy while in school. Using these notebooks are like something very cheap or something which we don't like as a student, so we'll decorate it and use it, so our parents will be happy and even we'll be happy. Like, we can use notebook decorated by us, or we can say DIY. Okay, so let's go to the video. Okay, so guys, for this we'll need a book which you wanted to decorate and a sheet of paper of your own color choice, and I'll take pink. I love pink. Okay, so let's start. This is A4 size book and A4 size paper, so I don't need to cut it. If you want, you can cut it if your book is long or small. If your paper is thin just like me, there are chances to get these type of wrinkles on your paper. Yeah, it may look bad, but if we'll decorate it nicely, then it won't look. You can apply one more paper by applying the glue only at the border, so it will create two layers and it will become smooth and wrinkles won't be shown. See, now you can see no wrinkles. It's smooth. Okay, so now we'll decorate the fun part. Okay, so I have some stickers. I'll use them. You'll get this in any of your stationery shop. So now this book is converted into this one. I hope you liked my video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon if you haven't yet, so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you in next video.